Hi everyone, how are you? Feeling better or getting bored? Yeah, because in today's scenario we have a tendency and we have heard a lot that we people tend to get bored a lot. At times it says that, oh my god, the kids must be getting bored. My kids get bored, that is why they are busy with their iPads and laptops and gamings and everything. But have you ever thought ki what were we people doing when we used to be small? Did we have that much of technology to be with? Did we have so much of stimulus of moving around? Did we have so much of exposure that we are facing it today? We are enjoying it today? Those were the time. But did we ever felt bored? So what's the difference? When we are so much having such a nice technology where we can use for the upliftment of ourselves, and so many better things are happening around us, still we feel bored at times. Just give it a thought. What could be the reason behind it? It's basically something that we have forgotten to sit with ourselves. That was a time when we knew how to sit with ourselves, to enjoy our own company and being with ourselves and being with the people around us. Today, technology has overruled. Technology is very good, but it was to be something we had to use it. But now what is happening is the technology, we are getting the slave of the technology. Even if for some time we don't have anything in our hands, we need something. We are always in a instinct to use our phones every second, just a stick, and we'll just take it out. There's no message, there's no WhatsApp message or a mail or Facebook or Twitter or Insta. Any message that is there, even if you're driving and you're in the car and you have a 40 minutes or 60 minutes or 60 seconds or 40 seconds of red light, then also even that's 40 seconds we can't sit and we got to use that phone to check, because we need to fiddle it out, because we can't sit with ourselves. And once we again get back to the scenario of sitting with ourselves and enjoying our companies, how can we get bored? Today, being a parent, we always want that we should give our children whatever we didn't enjoy it, whatever we didn't had in our lives. But we are forgetting to give them what we actually also had. So it's important to give what you didn't had, but simultaneously it is important to forward the things you had, you enjoyed. People in urban developed countries have actually followed this culture these times, that once a week or few hours a day they keep it as no mobile, no technology time. And it's time for us to follow these things for our sake, for the kids' children. Like, we should practice, we can practice that once a week there is no technology day or a no phone day, where we can sit with ourselves, we can enjoy ourselves, be together, or at least sitting without doing anything at times. Vivekananda's quote, it was very beautifully said that meet yourself, rather talk to yourself once a day, else you will miss the opportunity of meeting the most excellent person on the world, on the planet. And it's miraculous. So, sit with yourself, be with yourself, enjoy your company. It's good to be multitasking, but multitasking is making, once we learn to be multitasking, it gets difficult for this to stop and relax for a moment. And once you've been told to just sit for some time, you start getting bored. So, talk to yourself once a day to meet the most excellent person on the earth. Love you all. Be with yourself. Enjoy your company. Alka Gurdatta, Sunshine Freedom.